All right, guys, the targets, the local one for Arbitrum after this dump. I think locally we can drop again to 27 cents, 19. If we compare with other tokens, just to be honest, the Arbitrum hold the line pretty good one. So we not crash like many tokens, 90% or something craziness. It's 41% at least on HTX. Maybe on Binance, yes. On Binance, of course, it's the biggest candle, so we dump it to 10 cents, but we're going back to the HTX. So yes, we dropped only to 24. That's why sometimes, guys, a better trade maybe on not so popular exchanges. Of course, I don't want to tell you the Huobi, the previous name of this exchange. Now it's HTX. It's something bad, right? But it's not, of course, that big liquidity like on a Binance. But when we get some big liquidity, we can see some big spikes. The volume of the sales was so big one, right? I totally agree. Now, 3 days in a row sales, and I don't see any crazy positive news for Arbitrum now. At least the sales decrease while we stay on the same line. So locally, of course, this indicator showing us the fractals, so the 3 candles. Wicked fractal, you can type it and define this indicator. Sometimes pretty useful. It's showing you, I posted a video about this indicator, so it's showing you the fractals which can be swept, so you can check on the history on different time frames. You can combine with my set. It's give you a lot of additional information, so it's really helpful for me personally. And here we see the fractal to sweep liquidity. This one candle 29.34 after this one candle and this one. I don't think so. We're going to drop to 24 cents, 10 cents. By the way, it was the invalidation of idea, even on HTX. You remember we trade and track the Arbitrum since listing in zone 23, and this model still relevant, still in play. We dump on a Binance to 10 cents. So yes, technically this model can be invalidated, but anyway, we work with this chart. What to do if the model is invalidated? These zones become like support zones. So this zone and 0.5 and 0.61. So 56, 71. I'm more than sure we will test this year or the next one. It's 73 cents. So everybody who denies, for example, at 12 cents, they will be in great profit, like 500. 500, it's not something crazy. For example, after the dump, the virtual token already performed at 500% bounce. So some tokens perform better, sometimes some tokens sometimes needed more time. That's why locally, guys, daily fractals, what we can sweep is this one, 29, 28.78. That's why some position entries, maybe I will try looking at 27.19 only here. Maybe I will add alerts. So the weekly open, we tested and going down. 12 time frame, yes, a lot of liquidity. So this fractal will already sweep it. This one ongoing. So I hope I hope we drop the last time by end of October, and finally maybe we'll see the green final normal November. That's why I'm better skip some position and wait at the lower one. If we not drop to 27.19, I just skip Arbitrum for trades. If we talk about a potential entry, let's count with the second leverage. So the stop loss is here like 24% against the yearly open test, against the 340, around 350 even. So 24% against 340. So with the second leverage, maybe makes sense to try to open position. Monthly open was here like 41 cents. That's why would be good, of course, guys, if it's just consolidation before the continuation. That's why be ready for this sweep and go higher, because here we leave the liquidity pools on 12 time frame, on the daily time frame, on 4 time frame, of course, pretty similar. And yes, now looks like we're going down. No volume from buyers, nothing. Here was some buyers volume, but to see the reversal move, we need to see at least like this one. Volume from buyers. All right, Got it. Let's check my customer set. What's going on now? So the volume we can close. Weekly, daily, I guess it's still relevant. So that's why, guys, let me remind you again. Here, monthly time frame, yearly open. Yearly open 0.5 level FIP. It's more than logical to see. So 71.74 cents. It will be once again not a mistake. Fix the profit, withdraw initial deposit. You know, if you want to buy now, Arbitrum. And the global targets, this one $1.54, $1.65, and then maybe new all-time high. We will see. Globally on the monthly, you saw this is a middle line. So this was accumulation. This is middle line, so it's neutral. We at the bottom on direction indicator on the monthly time frame. Weekly time frame, we are not in distribution. Not even close. This was accumulation pump, kind of bad. So we not see this the same accumulation zone. Some news, you know. Oh, it's 6 days ago. It's old news. I don't know why the trading view showing us here. Daily time frame also accumulation. So Arbitrum, I think Arbitrum will follow the Ethereum. If Ethereum will go to new all-time high, I think the whole ecosystem will pump. You remember when we pump it here? We pump it in August, you know, and I think we will see the same pumps after. So Arbitrum will follow the Ethereum. Now, just middle, no bullish, no bearish signals. Direction also neutral. Nothing. It's a daily time frame market mode. Disbelief capitulation, daily capitulation on a weekly. What I don't like on a day, on a monthly. Still some aphoria. So locally, guys, this one I gotta add alert to this area. Just my alert, 27.7. So be ready for potential swing trade. 4 hour time frame. Also disbelief, and if you're not sure to buy now or not, if you're ready to see the, let's say, if you're ready to see the 10% drop, you can accumulate even now. I'm talking about a future position. I don't want to accumulate the Arbitrum for a spot. Daily, 1 hour time frame also, guys, looks like for me 29.27. This one 28.81 looks like a magnet to sweep that lows. So we can mark this like echo lows on 1 hour time frame. So honestly, would be good to sweep it and the test 27.19. Take a look at the 4 hour time frame, money power. We at the bottom without money inflow. The last money inflow was here, October 22, and we drop in the pump. So once again, guys, take a look from the money inflow. It was a pretty good pump, like 15%. For scalp, it's a good one. With the second leverage, it's 30%. Nice trade. This is a bottom, but without any signals to buy. 2 hour time frame, no signal for accumulation. Daily time frame, no signal for accumulation. Weekly time frame, it's good. It's good. We dump it to the bottom, even lower than we was here at the beginning of October. That's why I hope November will be green one. So the monthly also, this is not a time to distribute our bags. Time to sell will be here. So everything okay for Arbitrum, I guess. Trade on monthly. No data. Weekly. From the sell, we got to sell buy back. Now nothing on the weekly. Daily. After the drop, finally we got a signal to close position. Buy. Nice one. But anyway, I wish to see the sweep of liquidity and 27.19. 2 hour time frame also buy. A recommendation close position. No, nothing. 4 hour time frame sell. All right, October, 3 days ago we saw the signal to sell. All right. Let's track the last one. Take profit. Oh, it's kind of scary because the buy line. No, let's double check. 12 time frame here. 12 time frame. The buy line is 26.12. Kind of lower than my entries, potential entries. Buy line now on the daily 29.52, but I think we can drop and test the 50% between the buy line and the fundamental value. So it can be like, yes, 26.76. Maybe also we will let the test. And the bullish things now, it's Arbitrum so underrated. We test the fundamental value below. That's why the take profit line it's 91.99. Exit line it's $1.03. Lines are dynamic, so you can add alerts and track when we will test the take profit, so you can withdraw your initial deposit. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what is your target for Arbitrum. If you like to trade as my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.